the Hetzner website, click Dedicated and then Server Auction. Scroll down to see all available auction servers. When you found one that fits your needs, hit Order to continue. You can find a list of recommended hardware on the GameServerApp documentation website. Double-check the order specifications to make sure it's the right machine. Scroll down and select Public Key to enter GSA's public key. You can copy the GSA public key from the docs. Click Install and Connect on the top menu. Then navigate to the Security page and click Public SSH key on the right-hand side. Use the copy icon to copy the entire SSH key and head back to the Hetzner website. Finally, paste the SSH key in the key data field and hit Save to continue. At the shopping cart page, click Checkout to continue. From here, you will either need to register a Hetzner account or log into an existing one. For this example, we'll use an existing account. Hetzner will require you to confirm your order one more time and finally confirm you read the required legal information. Hit the button below Agreement to confirm your order. Hetzner will now prepare the machine for your account. It usually takes 5 to 15 minutes for a new server to show up on the Server tab. Contact Hetzner support if it does not. Click the New Server, and then click the Windows tab. Select the Windows Server Standard Edition and check all the checkboxes. Click the Order Windows button to purchase a monthly Windows Server license. Click Go to Windows Installation. Make sure the language is set to English before you check the checkbox and click the Activate Windows Installation button. Find the generated password on the page and copy it to your notes. You need this password later in the process again. We should now restart the machine via the Reset tab. Select Execute an automatic hardware reset and hit Send to restart the machine. Now wait for Hetzner to confirm Windows was installed before continuing. Copy the machine IP and open Microsoft's remote desktop application. Add a new PC and paste the machine IP. Modify the display settings so it won't open the remote desktop in full screen. This is easier to work with. Click Add to save the settings. Double-click the PC. Enter Administrator in the username field and paste the generated password from earlier in the password field. Now connect with the machine. Windows now requires you to change the administrator password. Enter the generated password from earlier in the first field and type a new password in the lower two fields. Choose a strong password and store it somewhere safe. Wait for Windows to start up. You can close all windows that start up on the machine. Before we can connect the Windows machine with GSA, we first need to run the install script. You can find the install script command in the GSA docs under Install and Connect in the top menu. Then navigate to the installation page and click Prepare a Windows machine on the right-hand side. Scroll to run command in PowerShell and use the copy icon to copy the entire command. Make sure you select the command for the Windows version your machine is using. Head back to the remote desktop session and click the Start button. Type PowerShell in the search bar and then click Windows PowerShell above. Paste the command from the docs in the PowerShell window and press Enter. The script will now prepare your machine. This can take up to 60 minutes. Do not close the window and wait for the machine to restart by itself. The connection is terminated when the machine restarts. Wait for the machine to get back up and confirm it is back online by reconnecting with remote desktop. Be patient, it can take a while to restart. You should wait until you see the Windows Server Manager pop up. The machine is now ready to connect with GSA. Head back to the Hetzner page and copy the machine IP and head over to the GSA dashboard. Select Connect Data Connect or click the plus icon next to Machines in the sidebar navigation to connect a new machine. Enter the machine IP in the field and hit Check IP. Type Administrator in the username field and enter the new password. Click Verify Credentials to check if everything is properly set up. When everything is ready, you can click Start Installation. Data Connect is now preparing your machine for hosting game servers. You receive an email when the installation is done.